I think you can see the book. Cover page of the book bears the pic which almost everybody of us know it. Rashtrasant Tukadoji Maharaj. Content of this book contains divine thoughts proposed by him for transformation of the society, especially focusing on the rural sector and youths. असं थांबून गेलं. Of human civilization or beginning of human civilization, you may say, divine thoughts have played important role in transformation of the society. That is, changing the young generation into the good citizens for the nation. But as the time passes on, we come to know that the scenario is changing. जोडता जोडता बरंच ते जोडण्यात गेलं. In the recent past, history of the saint literature brings to our notice that divine thoughts given by the saint literature also played great role in the transformation of society. That is, changing the younger generation into the good citizens for the nation. In recent times, just 2 or 3 decades back, psychology played its again major role for the same cause through education for transformation of the young generation or changing of the young generation to make the good human being with humanitarian culture. Now, what now we come to know, despite all these trends of positivity for building the young generation, somewhere we listen the whispering sound trail in the society that the young generation is deviating from the normal or good human ethics, morals and values. So, in the future, naturally, the nation may not be with that good citizens as required. This is the situation in prevailing circumstances as thinkers and great socialists observe it. One of the saints who visited village after village, creating the awareness, spreading the divine thoughts in the especially rural sector for the transformation of their life and the youth, so that they should not be blindfolded or something like that. This was rather the great role he played all his life, and this latest saint again is nobody but he is the Rashtrasant Tukadoji Maharaj. Means government has observed him as that saint. That is the reality. This booklet I went through and found that it reflects some good reality, or in you may say in realistic sense. I like the content especially because it does not bring the God in between. as per the theory of imagined order. On the contrary, it focuses mainly on the natural order, normally what we call as karma or good behavior theory. Now, in the last week rather, one news flash brought to the disclosure that central government has almost consented for teaching the stress management and mental health as a part of school education. Since 2015, and since 2015 you may say, government has also started one training program for the government employees to make a change in the mindset with the aim that they should give their services, cater their services very honestly, promptly and without corruption to the citizens who come to the government offices. Into all this sequence of efforts and work rather to design the good generations of the citizens. Things are being done, but as a educator for 50 years in the field, what I feel is, if at the school age one theme goes, catch them young and mold as you wish, though it may not happen to be 100%, but that is the state of psychological state of mind when these things, if properly taken to them, their mind goes configured. This book especially has got such a range of divine thoughts in relevance to different human traits. If some exposure is given to the students at the school age with the help of this book, then I as a teacher think that changes will be more faster and at a good output giving quality. This is my feel. Those who go through the books, they may also feel like that. But question is, who is to bail the cat? Who is to bail the cat? So here, as a teacher, I feel the experts in the field of social sector, experts in the field of education sector, some thinkers and philosophers should be approached with this book, and they be requested to go through and opine it, how far it will be helpful for shaping the future generation as good human beings. If all they consent rather, then all these letters with again books should be sent to the Director of Education, to the Director of and here plus point is, this saint is not of olden time. He is a last century person. And he has worked nationwide. That is why he has been identified by government as the Rashtra Sant Tukadoji Maharaj. Probably one university is also running in the name of him. So with these all qualities and some request coming from all these experts of the society, maybe government may take the decision to implement this book somewhere in the school curriculum or education, not as a subject of teaching, but for some exposure, for some discussions. And then naturally what I feel, if it is expected at the education national level, the speed of transformation and quality of outcome both will be somewhere desirable and up to expectation mark. Of course, everything remain upon the great thinkers, so thinkers should think upon it and try to justify. I, being a national trainer of master skills and design of training at Eshada under Ministry of Human Resource, and being a teacher in the field for a long time, I had some such feeling after reading this book, and therefore this is the expression outward for the people. Thank you so much.